students, welcome to NEET Shala, and once again this is your host Suyeshi. So this is the video on how to make a formula book, right? So this is just a demo video. You can see here. Actually, you can note down the formulas also. This is of the chapter, as you can read, laws of motion. Okay, so this is the formula, like formula book. The first formula is of momentum, then of force. So we are posting this so as to make you aware that every NEET aspirant should make formula book like this. This will be only beneficial at last moment for your last moment revision series. Okay, so you all can quickly take up the picture. We are not posting it on YouTube or sorry, we are not posting it on any other social networking sites. uh, Always PDF is not required. Sometimes video helps a lot, so you can actually pause and write down all these formulas, or you can make one like this. Okay, see, the next one is third topic. As you can see, it is on unit of force. You all can pause the video actually and note down the formulas. Okay, or if you wish, you can make your own, and that would be even much more helpful if you make it of your own. You can see, I think everything is visible and clear. These are the formulas. Please mention these formulas. This is the only way to make a formula book, right? So like this you have to make for every chapter. We will also be posting, right now it's force part 1, next we'll be posting regarding friction. Okay, after this we will post regarding the friction. You all can pause and note down these formulas, or you can make your own like this. Just have a look on these formulas, the way it has been mentioned, and similarly you can write these formulas. Last moment every student wants the formula book, right, for physics, so as to grasp quickly, because these days questions are very direct. In that case, you just need to know the formulas also properly. Obviously you have to practice a lot of questions, but this is for your last moment revision, which you have to prepare from now. Okay, take 2 or 3 pages white paper and just write down the way it is written here. Okay, see, you all can pause, and I'm saying again and again, you all can actually pause and write down all these things. This will also help you a lot. We are not posting any PDF on any other social networking sites of NEET Shala. This video only will help you, so you have to write from here all these formulas. See, for every single topic, number it properly, make proper diagrams. Okay, these are the formula books. Make proper diagram. Okay, and you do not, you feel free to use different colors so as to make the appearance look good, catchy to your eyes, because these images are something which remains in our brain for a longer period of time. That is why you have to make your formula book attractive. Don't make it look dirty and ugly. Okay, you have to write it in a beautiful handwriting. uh, this goes wrong, so kindly pause it, and please pause and just write down this page properly. I think it has gone upside down. Something wrong went while taking the picture of this one. Right, now next. Yeah, this one. Right, I don't know if it has gone upside down because it's of recording, but these are the formulas. This was the page before, and then this was the next page. This is of resolution of force, and this is common forces in mechanics. You all can see here. You all can pause and write. You all can actually pause and write well. This is the last page, I guess. Apparent weight of a man in lift. So basically we wanted to show you how to make a formula book. Okay, see, this is the way how to make a formula book. Okay, properly you have to write. This is the last one. Bodies attached through pulley. See, and feel free to use variety of colors because that is the only thing you are going to remember during examination. Okay, so this it was still here. Friction will bring it very soon for you within 2 to 3 days. Okay, so till then, stay tuned to Neetshala. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow us on all the social networking sites, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. Thank you.